All right, so about 40 now. Okay, so right now, all right, so right now I got sidetracked, but I'm gonna do it anyways. So, because I thought, you know what, I was doing it off the camera, and then I thought, you know what, I bet other folks would like to know how to use GIMP. So, I had this thought of like the I was like ASCII text, because this is always fun when you have a command line utility. You wanted to sort of like say something. So when we do Alice version, it should say Alice is here. So, and then maybe we can display this little image. So, because I like this one, so it could be something else. So if you want it to be something else, submit a pull request. So we can rotate them out. That would be fun. Actually, there's fun thing. There's a Google GIF for CLI or something, and there was a fun GIF of Pikachu that was fun with that. And we had thought about caching it for CVE bin tool, but we need to figure out the cache and replay thing. I think it can be done. I think there's just a timing situation where we need to record timing. And yeah, okay. We might be actually just be able to, we can just probably grab with schema, and then we can import schema to replay. I kind of wanted to do it without any dependencies, but that's fine. Okay, for the replay. Okay, so it would be nice if we could embed something. Okay, so let's just do it. Okay, so Alice, where you at? Where you at? Where you at? Okay, so downloads. Okay, encoded color profile, whatever. Okay, so basically, so this is the thing. This GIMP is not easy to use, and that's why I thought, why don't we just do this? It's actually notoriously not easy to use from what I understand. Okay, so here we're just going to select this area, and we're going to grab Alice here because we want to do what we did there, what that dinosaur thing is doing. So we're going to grab Alice. You know, we'll grab her shadow too. Why not? And then we're going to go around, keep going, keep going, keep going. Don't screw it up. Don't screw it up. Okay. It's really annoying if you screw it up. Okay, so. Okay. Okay, there we go. Okay, so now we need to figure out how to select whatever not is this. Okay, so opposite of that. So is it Control I think is the opposite of that. Okay, so we do Control I. We now have the opposite of that. Perfect. Okay, so now let's go and let's remove our selection here. So let's just select anywhere. And then, so I grab the rectangle select, and I just click on the background, and then, okay, so now we're going to go, and that kind of selects the whole thing at this point. And then, but that can be tricky sometimes. Sometimes it's hard to get rid of the thing. I don't know how sometimes. So I think maybe escape. So then colors, what do we do here? Color to alpha. There we go. All right, perfect. So now we have our PNG of Alice. Okay, so now we can say Alice looking up PNG. We'll export. Okay, I don't know what any of this does, so I just hit export. Sometimes I change the slider, but I don't know if it does anything. So, all right, discard changes. Okay, so then I'm going to go ahead and add our new version of Alice here. Where was Alice looking up? Okay. Alice looking up. All right, let's check it out. All right, there she is. Great, thanks, Alice. Okay, and then Let's go over here. We don't need that. Oh wait, did I grab the URL? Okay, that I always lose that free image search URL. That's a good one. Okay. So here's the chain of thought was I searched, I got to free image search, and then I got to here, and then we went to here, right? So this is our chain of thought. Okay, so how do we do this? We want to say ASCII art, and then whatever. So I created a new virtual environment over here. I cloned it. I did everything that they did except for I inserted in the middle between the CD and the pip install the creation of a new virtual environment here in the activation arrow. Okay, so then we want, so on WSL you can access the C drive, the regular Windows stuff, by going through /mount/C. Okay, so it doesn't like that, so ASCII art. Okay, so it looks like their README is slightly out of date. Okay, so it didn't do, okay, that didn't do anything for us. Okay, that did absolutely nothing, unfortunately. Okay, that didn't help. So, okay, so this is on white. So maybe we need to fill that image. I was assuming that it was transparent, but maybe it's on white. So okay. Colors. Alpha to color, question mark. Bucket, or wait, here, we can do this magic wand and then we can click here and now we've got all the alpha channels. So what is threshold? I think that just selects the whole bit. Okay. Or wait, did we select all the, I think we selected all the black now. So then we can do the invert and then we can do the bucket fill. We can say white. Okay. Okay, we didn't get everything. Fill the whole selection. Okay, there we go. Okay. All right, okay, so let's just try this. So let's do an export. Alice looking at white background. Okay, export. So let's see what it does here. There we go, there she is. Okay. Okay, great. That's perfect. Okay, so let's see. So they're saying there's some things we can tweak. Okay. Fixed new width. So large font, fine tune the image, better resolution with larger font. New fix new width. Okay. Let's make this smaller. So let's make this 80 columns and let's see what happens. Okay. Very nice. Okay. So let's downscale this image. So let's image scale crop to selection, crop to content. Okay. Let's see where that gets us. Okay. So we're getting closer. So I think we're going to have to do image. All right, Alice. I don't know what that is. Okay, don't click that. Okay. Scale image. Okay, so let's make her. Okay, so width, height. So we need to make her smaller. So we need to unlock this and we need to shrink her. So Alice, what is it? What is it when she shrinks? She drinks the potion. All right, she's drinking the potion. Okay. All right. Shrink, Alice. Okay, thank you. Look at that. Wonderful. That's fantastic. Okay, I love that. Yeah, I love that. Okay, so it's probably, let's see, so that's probably still, so this is a 4K screen, right? So let's probably downscale that a little bit more. Crop to select, no, okay, we already did that. Scale image, let's unlock it and let's go down to 600 and let's scale this over to, let's see, 800 at this point. So let's try that, okay. That may not have done much because I read it the other direction. But let's see what happens. Okay, that I think looks good. I think that will, yeah, I think that's good. Let's play with that other number. What was the other number? Large font. 200? Looks the same to me. 2000. Okay, I can't change anything at that point. It's two. It's already the same size. Okay, so, well, this is great. So I think we'll just copy paste this at this point. Okay, so it really doesn't like that 2000. Okay, and then let's do ASCII. Uh-oh. Name art. Site colon github.com. People do some really great ASCII art. Okay. Okay. Well, here, we could just do this then. We could say, what's our standard paper size? Or, well, let's see, so 80 columns. So let's just do 80 by 60. Or by 50. Okay, and let's just say Alice. Oh, Alice is here. Okay, let's make that what? 14 point font. See where that's at. Okay, that's too big. 12-point font. All right, let's zoom it in. Okay. 13-point font. No. 12-point font. 12.5-point font. 12 point. Yeah, 12 point. 12.7-point font. Yeah. All right. No. Okay. 12.5. 12. Fine. Okay. So now we got the select cursor. We're gonna move it. And then we'll do image, cropped content. Okay. And Okay, great. So yeah, what is this color here? Okay, this is dumb. Why is it so slow? Oh, it's doing this. Okay, so great. Okay, so back to the task at hand. All right, so let's just pop into the CLI real quick. And just add the Alice version command. Great. And what this should look like without her shadow. Okay, let's just leave it because it becomes hard to tell where her shoes start or end. Okay, so Alice, you know, okay. Actually, wait a minute. Let's just do. I think I actually, at one point, implemented something that okay, yeah, so okay, so this raw description helper formatter, CLI formatter class. There she is. Okay, so perfect. Is it deduplicating those spaces? God damn it, it is. Okay. 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 Hmm. Yeah, I like it the way it was. Alright, so this is the software analysis Trinity. Okay, so is that centered? '27. '40. So 80 minus 40 is 40. Okay, so it's centered. All right. Okay. Okay, so maybe we should say intent. Okay. Okay. Okay, so we have intent. Okay, so maybe we should make this bigger actually. So Alice is at the middle of this. Oh no. Oh no. Dude. Alright, okay. Okay, dynamic analysis, static analysis. Alright, okay. That looks good. So intent, dynamic analysis, and static analysis. Okay. So Alice sits here, right at the intersection of human intent, or soon to be entity intent, dynamic analysis, and static analysis, right? So it's just feedback loop. Okay. All right. I love the way this turned out. Okay. So what if we put a little add symbol on here? Aligned. No, it's not. It's not aligned. That would look cool. Okay. Now, okay, that's perfect. That's perfect as it is. Okay. All right, I'm satisfied. Yeah, I'm satisfied. Nice. Okay. Sweet. Okay, so Alice is 3.9 and above right now, so I'm going to do a nasty thing here. So, okay, no, I shouldn't do that. Okay, perfect. Okay, so display Alice and software analysis or entity. Trinity on the broad description help formatter. There, that's us what it does. Okay. Boom. All right. I love the way that turned out. Okay. Now we got to get back down to business. So let's make a new video.